exclusive. Pennies on the cellophane. Just giving y'all a little touch. My boy Stony.
What's good with it? US.
Put this tongue on him. Pennies on the cellophane. Cellophane. I'ma rip them clothes off. Yeah, I'ma rip them clothes off. Pennies on the cellophane. Fucking under pressure, bigger like a pistol. Yes sir, every stroke of lift her head up, passion to the highest measure. Neck like a pig, bite the bottom of her lip. We ain't finished that fifth, still on the dresser next to her hips. Take a few shots back to that dick. I'm putting in work, this the third shift. Rock that headboard till it's split. She say my name, I'm calling her bitch. Revoke her license, driving that stick. I hit that spot, she grabbing my 6-pack. Drugs is open, now her face is cold and full of shit. She moaning, get that.
There you have it. Top ramen shit. Better get your motherfucking mittens if you ain't can't stand the motherfucking heat. This shit's blowing the fuck up. Shit.
It's going. We going. That's all I gotta say. We going, man. It's exclusive. Holla at y'all in a minute. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get back to it day to day. You know what I'm saying? This shit don't. It don't take that long.
Hey girl. Come over here and get your panties off the ceiling fan.